Buying land in a rural area like Sequim, Washington on the Olympic Peninsula can be a little bit tricky. Hi, I'm Chuck Marundi, broker and founder of iRealty Virtual Brokers. Buying land and building your own house? You've got to do some comparisons here to the price of existing homes to see if it makes any sense. There's a lot to think about. Clearing all those trees and burning all those stumps, well, that takes time. Most people don't realize how much is involved. Clearing trees and stumps, driveway excavation, site excavation, well drilling, septic tank and drain fields, power box and connections, internet and cable, cell phone connectivity, and landscaping. Wow, a lot to think about. I hope I can help. Chuck Marundi here.